I was trained as a harvesting planner. I was surveying all around Fiji, but for logging. So for this new era of conservation, it was the biggest challenge for me because harvesting and conservation is two different things. A lot of logging companies coming around asking for the forest to be logged, but we are lucky and we are proud to be able to be there against them to protect our forest, not only for us but for the future generation.
Kena maru pasagay na ba ulawaag era la mo na may musuh kakad kay araw mo mako guni rogas may musuh kakad kena maru pun gat mero kung abun gat sa may lahay na are sa may bolya lagi kaya maru pun gat wa kan daw kami musuh Vanua Levu musuh abu sa kay bonga ya buson raw kena makali kena maru gat.
My name is Jeremiah and I hail from Drawa village. I work as a lead forest ranger to lead the rangers in the forest, looking after the forest. Currently in Drawa Conservation Area, protected forest is nearly 4,000 hectares.
Na vanua na yaumbula na vanua nanta yaumbula e na vanua maruru ikenda kin maruru na nondambula vambimbi na vikau o soliti ko mai na vangi vikenda na vikau mbula me buki kenda vambimbi na nondambula na vising.
So instead of logging to get money, cutting down trees to be sold out, so we protect the forest for carbon, minimizing the effects of climate change. The carbon income has benefits the whole of the Drawa block communities. For example, my clan, they've been saving some money for future village developments, and some are used by youth group projects and women's.
Tani kiman maro na bikaw tela na martikiman na vangi na soliva binaka na manumanu na bula binaka na non rabi vali au tanda takatal nga ke bukanir na rawan ni raida na ayasa na binaka na murmay na urmay muro na lubiki mamir na murmay ke bukanira raida ke binaka iyon binaka na kair na decide the camera murikam.
My vision for the future is that we can continue to protect our forest, especially share this initiative with our children, because I think it's not only for making money. There are a lot of non-monetary values in the forest which we use every day in our daily lives. Because money, we just use it and gone, but forest is here with us for life.